Hey! Want to sound more natural and polite in English? Here we bring you a real-life English conversation to learn polite expressions and modal verbs. Learn as you watch.
Excuse me. Mark, would you please pass me the sugar?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How's your coffee?
It's really good. But I should have ordered something less sweet. I always forget how sugary these are.
Yeah. They can be really sweet. You might want to ask for less sugar next time.
Good idea. Oh, pardon me. I got distracted. How have you been?
I've been all right. Just busy with work. But I think I ought to take a vacation soon. I'm exhausted.
You really should. A break would do you good. Maybe you could go somewhere relaxing. Like the mountains or the beach?
That's a great idea. But I may wait until next month, when things at work calm down.
Makes sense. By the way, after you finish your coffee, do you want to split a dessert?
Sure. I'd love to. But you pick. I might take forever to decide.
Haha. Okay. I shall choose something we both like.
Achoo!
Oh. Someone over there just sneezed. Bless you!
Bless you!
Thank you.
So, tell me, have you been reading anything interesting lately?
Actually? Yes. I just finished a mystery novel. You should read it. It's really good.
Oh, I love mysteries. Would you recommend it for a book club?
Absolutely. It's got a great plot twist. I can lend it to you if you'd like.
Oh, yes, please. That would be great.
No problem. I'll bring it next time.
Thanks. Oh, and sorry. I totally forgot to ask. How's your family?
No worries. They're doing well. My sister just got a new job. And my parents are planning a trip.
That's exciting. Where are they going?
They may visit Italy. They've always wanted to go.
Oh, wow. That would be an amazing trip. They should try all the pasta and gelato ice cream.
Definitely. Pardon? Sorry, I got distracted. What did you just say?
I said, they should try all the pasta and gelato ice cream.
Oh, absolutely. And speaking of food, I think we ought to order that dessert now.
Great idea. Let's see. Oh, this one looks good. What do you think?
That would be perfect. Let's get it. What can I get for you?
We'd like to share this dessert. Please.
Would you like some ice cream with it? No, thank you. Just the dessert is fine. No problem. I'll bring it right out.
It's my pleasure to catch up like this. It's been too long.
I agree. We should do this more often. Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. This looks amazing.
It does. You take the first bite. After you.
Thank you. This is so good. You have to try it.
You're welcome. Oh, wow. This might be the best dessert I've had in a while.
Haha. I knew you'd love it. By the way, I was thinking, you should come over this weekend. We could have a movie night.
That sounds like fun. What would you like to watch?
Maybe a classic mystery, since we both love them. Or we could go for something funny.
A mystery sounds perfect, but I might fall asleep if it's too slow-paced.
Haha. Don't worry. I'll pick one that keeps you awake. Oh, and we should make popcorn.
Absolutely. And I can bring snacks too.
That would be great.
All right. I'll bring some chips and soda. I ought to check if my sister wants to join too. She loves movie nights.
Oh, that would be fun. I may invite a couple of friends as well.
Sounds like a plan. How's the dessert?
It's my pleasure to say. It's delicious.
No problem finishing this. That's for sure.
Haha. Exactly. So, when should we do our movie night?
How about Saturday? I shall check my schedule, but I think I'm free.
Perfect. I would say around 7 p.m.
Works for me.
Great. I'm excited.
Me too. Now, we should probably finish up this dessert before it melts.
Agreed. Let's enjoy it.
General summary. For the explanation of every one of these words and expressions with examples, watch this video.